Pegasus is a spyware. Spyware means a type of software that secretly collects information from someone's computer. And recently, Pegasus has been in news. For what? It is believed that some Indians were targeted with the help of Pegasus, and some Indians were closely monitored with the help of Pegasus. It is possible either the central government or some agencies tried to monitor some Indians with the use of Pegasus. Probing Pegasus. So recently, West Bengal government has decided that we will probe this matter, that we will probe whether Pegasus was used or not. Till now, central government has neither accepted nor rejected the use of Pegasus. Probe means investigation, है ना? Probe means investigation. So probing Pegasus. So investigation regarding Pegasus. West Bengal government is right in ordering. So order has been given by West Bengal government regarding what? A judicial inquiry. Judicial means related to justice. Judicial inquiry, investigation into the spyware scandal. Scandal means, you can say, a disgraceful event, a bad event. So you can say that this event happened, and regarding this event, regarding this Pegasus, West Bengal government has given order that an inquiry should be conducted. The institution means, you can say that, to establish something, establishment of something. The institution of a judicial probe. Probe means inquiry, investigation. Judicial by the West Bengal government into allegations. Allegations means accusations. Blame. To blame someone means to allege someone. Allegations of surveillance. Surveillance means close observation using advanced spyware. So you can say that high technology is used in this spyware, in this Pegasus. On potential. Potential means possibly. Indian targets. So some Indians were targeted by Pegasus. Marks. So this order, recently the order of West Bengal government regarding Pegasus indicates a significant political and legal pushback. Pushback means your strong negative reaction against something. So it is a political and legal pushback against the union government's attempt to deny. Deny means to refuse something, to not accept something, to deny the global media revelation. When you reveal something means you expose something. To reveal something means to bring something before people. And diminish. Diminish means to try to reduce something. Diminish the potent threat. Potent threat means possible danger. Such practices. Pause to. If pause means to present something. Pause means to present a difficult problem. Pause to democracy. So such type of events, pause, you can say that such type of events present a, you can say that such type of events present a danger before our democracy. So union governments continuously tried to deny the global media's revelations. So this complete incident of Pegasus has been revealed by the global media, but the central government is continuously denying the revelations of global media, and the central government is continuously trying to diminish, means to reduce the importance of something, to diminish the potent threat, means possible threat, which is created by such type of incidences to our democracy. Given means considering. Chief Minister, given means taking into account, considering. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's pension Penchant means when you show a tendency for something, when you show a liking for something, it is called penchant. For the dramatic and her endless, yani it means continuous run-ins with the center. Run-in means to have a fight with someone, to have an argument with someone. So Miss Mamata Banerjee is known for continuous fight with the central government. It is a tendency of Miss Banerjee. It may be easy. So, considering this situation, it may be easy for the central government to dismiss, means to don't pay attention to dismiss the act of a state government ordering an inquiry. है ना, here state government means West Bengal government. है ना, so considering the situation, which situation, that Miss Mamata Banerjee has been continuously in an fighting mode with the central government. So the central government may easily dismiss this inquiry. The act of a state government ordering an inquiry into what could be, and this complete Pegasus event could be, could be here says that the possible chances are there a large scale intelligence gathering. Gathering means to collect something, है ना. So this complete Pegasus event may be an attempt to gather intelligence, to gather, you can say that, to gather intelligence on a large scale. Gathering program, है ना, it may be a program, intelligence gathering program of a state actor. State actor, someone who acts on behalf of state, like in this Pegasus event, maybe the central government behind it, or maybe some other agencies of the central government, or maybe some groups who support the central government, as mere political hutchpa. Hutchpa means, you can say that, audacity. Hutchpa means shocking behavior, unacceptable behavior. Mere means only. So at present, the central government say what West Bengal is doing is just political, you can say that, is just political audacity, है ना. So and the central government may completely reject this inquiry. And it is possible that we know the situation, that situation has always been bad regarding Miss Mamata Banerjee and the central government. They have been continuously in a fighting mode, है ना, run-ins. So run-in means to have an argument with something, है ना, to have a fight with someone. So it is easy for the central government that the order that has been passed by West Bengal government, है ना, can be dismissed easily, है ना. But the editorial warns that it may be, this complete Pegasus event may be a large scale program to collect secret information, है ना, and there may be some state actors behind it. And at present, the central government may dismiss the act of West Bengal government by saying that it is only a political hutchpa, means a political unacceptable behavior, a political audacity. However, in this context of the center and the ruling means someone who is in power. BJP's aggressive refusal, है ना, when you do something aggressively, it means you do that thing violently. Refusal means to not accept something. To cede means to accept something. Cede means to accept something. So at present, the BJP, you can say that the ruling BJP violently refused to accept any ground. That any ground means any base on the growing demand. At present, this demand is growing. Demand is growing for what? For a credible. Credible means that can be believed. Probe means investigation into the use and misuse of Pegasus spyware. So a lot of people are saying, a lot of people are demanding that a credible investigation should be done regarding Pegasus spyware. But the central government has repeatedly said, or the central government has violently refused to accept any base for this growing demand. The West Bengal inquiry acquires both legal and political salience. The West Bengal inquiry. So the inquiry है ना, which will be conducted by the West Bengal acquires means gets both legal and political salience. Salience means importance. So in this whole context, we can say that the inquiry which will be conducted by West Bengal government acquires prominence, acquires importance. The union government claims, so when you claim something means you say something forcefully. The union government claims that illegal surveillance is not possible in India. So why the central government refused? For why the central government refused to carry out an investigation into this matter? Because the central government says, or central government claims that illegal surveillance means close observation, is not possible in India. So the central government has said that it is not possible to illegally supervise anyone in India, and has not specifically admitted, and neither central government has specifically admitted or denied. Deny means to refuse the use of Pegasus, and still the matter is unclear from the central government whether the Pegasus was used or not. Still the central government has not specifically mentioned or specifically admitted or denied the use of Pegasus. Now after the comma, this information is about Pegasus. What is Pegasus? The spyware supplied by Israel's NSO group. So remember, this Pegasus is in the news. So questions may be asked regarding this, what is Pegasus, and what is the name of company what is the name of company that makes Pegasus. So it is made by the Israel's NSO group. Miss Banerjee has rightly invoked. Invoke means to appeal. Invoke means to appeal for an investigation in support of an argument, or to appeal for taking an action in support of an argument. So Miss Banerjee has rightly invoked. So Miss Banerjee has rightly called for the possible grave means serious, implications means results for democracy. So Miss Banerjee has said that there may be serious implications, there may be serious results of this type of incidents for our democracy, for our public order and law and order, the independence of the judiciary. This type of incident, this type of Pegasus incident may damage our judiciary, may damage our judicial system. And the autonomy. Autonomy means, you can say that self-government. Autonomy means complete freedom. Autonomy of legislators. Legislator, MLA and MP, both are legislators. Legislators mean someone who makes law while ordering an inquiry under the Commission of Inquiry Act. Editorial says, for example, like someone has been appointed in an commission. Someone has been appointed in an commission, but you can say that the order of that person may get affected by such type of Pegasus incident. Because just suppose, like this Pegasus collected the information of a person who was in a commission, and just suppose that information is in the hand of some government agencies, or maybe this information is with the central government. So in this case, that person who is inquiring or who is giving order regarding an inquiry, and who is in a commission, then that person may be blackmailed. So media reports suggest that those likely targeted, so likely means possibly, media reports suggest that those likely targeted included Prashant Kishore. So some persons, some prominent persons who may have been targeted by the Pegasus are Prashant Kishore. Who is Prashant Kishore? The Trinamool Congress strategist during the recent assembly poll, means election. Strategist means planner. So Mr. Prashant Kishore, you can say that Mr. Prashant Kishore was the planner for the Trinamool Congress during the recent assembly election. And Abhishek Banerjee is Miss Banerjee's nephew. Nephew means a son of your brother or sister. So chances are there that these persons were targeted with the use of Pegasus. Regardless of which agency or government was behind it, editorial says that let it go that which government or which agency was behind this Pegasus. But there are grounds, we have some evidences to believe that part of the surveillance, means observation, covered the state government's territory. Territory means area. So editorial says that we have enough grounds to believe that surveillance was made, and that surveillance covered the state government's area. Bringing into play means now the role of West Bengal becomes important. It's legitimate right, है ना? So you can say that this is enough ground for a state to start a legal proceedings or starts a, you can say that, legal investigation, है ना? Or to order an investigation, है ना? It is a legitimate right, it means lawful right for a state. It is entirely a different matter. It is completely a different matter that the two-member commission, so the commission that has been set up by West Bengal government, this commission is comprised of two members. Comprising means consist of, including Justice Madan B. Lokur, former judge of the Supreme Court. So he was a judge in the Supreme Court, Justice Madan B. Lokur, and another person is in this commission, Justice Jyotirmay Bhattacharya, former Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court. So he was also, you can say that, the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court. So both persons may face severe constraints. Severe means serious. Constant means limitations. Constraints means obstacles. So during this inquiry they may face a lot of troubles. For one thing, for example, only some of the potential targets may testify, and when you testify you give evidence regarding something, you present evidence regarding something. Testify, seek means to desire something. So only some of the potential means possible, only some persons may come forward and they may testify, and they may want the commission's support. It means support in getting their phones forensically examined for evidence of infection by Pegasus. So here editorial says that there are a few persons only who can come forward, and they may ask commission to check their phone, in getting their phones forensically examined for evidence of infection by Pegasus, whether their phone was infected by Pegasus or not. So and they may provide their phone to be checked, but only a few persons may come forward. Central agencies may not. So these are the, you can say that, these are the constraints, these are the limitations, these are the obstacles before this commission. Some other obstacles: central agencies may not readily means easily, offer means provide their cooperation. Chances are there that central agencies will not provide their cooperation easily. The Intelligence Bureau IB may not be permitted to join the probe. It is also possible that the central government will not allow IB to join this investigation. And even if it did, or let us suppose the central government allows IB to join this probe, then it may claim, then IB may say privilege. Privilege means special rights over documents and records relating to its legitimate interception order. To intercept something means to interfere something. So the IB has, you can say that, lawful, the IB has legitimate something that is valid, that is according to law. So IB has legitimate interference power, and it can seize some documents and some records. It has a special power. And which documents can be seized by the IP? Documents that are related to national security, documents or records that are related to operational sensitivity. So editorial says that citing means, you can say that, giving the reference of, or giving the example of. So editorial says that first of all, the IB will not cooperate with this commission. And even, just suppose, even if you can say that, even if it did, even if IB supports this investigation, then it may claim special rights. It may seize some documents or some records, and it may say that it is its privilege. In a country where there is no parliamentary oversight means observation over someone or something, over its intelligence agencies. So we are living in a country where there is no parliamentary oversight over its intelligence agencies. So we have not formed any parliamentary committee to supervise our intelligence agencies. It is unclear, now it is unclear how far, means to which extent, how far these agencies and its personnel means staff, would cooperate with a probe ordered by a state government. So editorial says that it is still unclear that to which extent these agencies will cooperate with a probe that has been ordered by a state government. There have been instances, we have seen some examples, there have been some incidents like the Jain and Verma commissions come to mind, of intelligence files being made available to judicial panel. Judicial means relating to, you can say that, our judicial system, our justice department. Panel means a group of specialists. So we have seen some instances, we have seen some examples, and in those examples we saw intelligence files were made available to judicial panels, judicial groups. Therefore it will be both desirable means something that you want, and appropriate means completely suitable. So therefore it will be both desirable and appropriate if the center itself ordered. If and ordered, we have used here past form of the verb, if ordered. This type of structure is used for imagination, to show an unreal situation. If central government does so, if the center itself ordered a wide-ranging means covering a large area, judicial inquiry into the Pegasus. So editorial says that it is both means it is desirable, you can say that it is we want, and it is appropriate, and it is, you can say that, suitable for the central government, that the central government should give an order regarding this matter, regarding inquiry into the Pegasus scandal, so that the nation has an opportunity to get the truth, so that we may get to the bottom of the truth.